Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup with y'all for Halloween. I'm not sure what day I'm going to be dropping this video, but today it is currently Halloween. So happy Halloween to all my fellow subscribers, and if you're new here, go ahead and join the family because we're on a road to 5K. By the time you guys are watching this video, Halloween might have already passed, so I hope you guys all had a wonderful Halloween. Go ahead and comment down below your experience, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So in today's video, I'm trying to put a last minute look together. Okay, so what happened is I'm taking the kids I babysit and some of my nieces and nephews trick-or-treating, and I don't want them to feel like I didn't put effort into my costume or like I didn't dress up, because you know kids love seeing all that stuff. So I'm over here trying to put something together with what I have. So I went to the store and I got some vampire blood. Okay, I saw this at Walmart. I got the nails. I don't know if you guys can really see, it's kind of blurry, I know. I got some nails, I got some face jewels, some glittery lashes, some more face jewels, and some more acrylics, and I don't know what I'm gonna be, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try something out. So I saw on TikTok this really cute trend where it was like a glitter clown, and that's really what I'm gonna try to do. I love blue, so we're just gonna go for blue. Since I did get the vampire blood, I thought of doing like a red look, but I'm honestly gonna try to be Batman. I have like this Batman shirt, and I know these ears don't really go along with it, but yeah, I'm just here to make it look cute. I don't really know what I am. Okay, I'm me with, you know, a whole bunch of makeup on, honestly. So the way I started this look is I put some blue contacts in, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and go for that look. I don't know if y'all seen it. I'll try to insert a photo if not, but basically you put the two triangles up here, two triangles down there, and you fill it in with like diamonds. So let's see how this comes out. I've never, you know, done a look like this before. I feel like it's gonna take quite a little bit of time, so let me just go ahead and get started. All right, so that's how it's looking. I don't know if this is supposed to look like this, but I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second eye and then show y'all how it comes out. All right, so I realized I didn't put any of my concealer, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer under my eyes because I do have dark circles, and then just blend it out. And I'm also going to make my cheeks really rosy pink because that's how the girl on TikTok did it. So all right, and I will bronze my face up just a little bit because I think it'll look cuter like that. Okay. So I was like in between going for like a fairy look or this look, but I just went for this one. So now they want us to do it under the eye as well, like that. All right, so I need to color this in. Alright guys, so that's how the first eye is looking, and kids are so excited to see you. They haven't stopped, lol. Okay, you see, so I'm like running against the clock here, but yeah, that's how it's looking. I think it actually looks so cute, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eyes, guys, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. Now I went ahead and bought these blue rhinestones from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and make my face with blue rhinestones. So I'm just gonna get my lash glue wherever it's at. This side right here is already dry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lash glue on and start sticking on those rhinestones. How do I stick them on though? Oh, maybe with tweezers. So I know it's kind of hard to tell, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish doing my face with rhinestones, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'll be right back, guys. All right guys, so this is how it's looking. I don't know if you guys can really tell about some of the glitter that I've already put, and then I'm trying to do this here. I think that's how she did it on the TikTok. And then she kind of like outlined it. Something like that. Jesus, this looks crazy. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. I just need to bedazzle everything and I'll be right back. I think the line came out good. Yeah. I'm not perfect at this, but I'm trying my best. So I'll come back when I finish bedazzling my face. So this is how it's looking, guys. I am jeweled up and I even put like a mini nose ring. Now I'm gonna go ahead. I was in between putting the lashes or not. I don't think I'm gonna do the lashes just because I don't want it to like bother my face completely. But I am gonna go in with some blue eyeshadow to really, you know, complete the look. So here I am just trying to blend this out. I put a lot of blue eyeshadow by accident. Oh, I don't know if I like the blue shadow. Alright, so whatever. I just decided that I am going to do the blue lashes because I already have them anyway, so why not just use them? And I also have these really big blue hoops, so I don't really know what I am, but I'm something. And to these kids, it's just going to be a lot. Like, it's just going to matter that I tried, you know. It's not going to be so much what am I. It's going to be like, oh wow, you know, she tried. So let me go ahead and grab my lash glue. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lash glue on. Jeez. Okay, and then put on my lashes. So this is how the first eye is looking. I absolutely love it. I love how this look is coming out. I think it was such a good idea. I wish I would have had more time so I could really go in rhinestone to rhinestone, but whatever, I tried my best, so. And now this other eye. And I love how the lashes I got are blue, so I suggest, because I saw a lot of girls doing this look like in red. I saw some girls doing it in orange. So if you are going to go do this look, get lashes that match. I didn't know what color I was going to do, so I got purple lashes. I had pink lashes, but I went with the blue just because I felt like blue was different, because everyone's doing the orange, everyone's doing the black, everyone's doing the red. So I was like, let me do the blue. And that's how I'm looking right now, guys. So I bought a pink wig. I don't know how this would look with a pink wig, but I suppose we could try it out. I love how my eyes are looking, guys. So this is like a close-up as to how I am looking. So I probably could put a little bit more rhinestones on my mouth, but I don't know. I think like that is okay for now. So I can't really put too much mascara on. I'm just gonna leave it like that, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm gonna go see if the wig looks cute or what not. You see, without this red thing, I think this look actually looks really, really good. So So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is put some fake blood here. So I just got my fake blood tube. I don't really know how this is gonna look, but I guess like that. Oh, I could probably put it here, like if I just ate something. And then I could probably put some here too. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, and then here it needs to be more. Oh, I got it on my hands. Perfect. I could just do like that. This thing is like a lot of blood. So just put it, I'm just putting it literally like on my face, and that's it. So that's how it's looking right now, y'all. I don't know what to do for my hair. Let me see how this pink wig looks. Alright, so this is the pink wig that I bought. A lot brighter than what I thought it would be. I don't know exactly how this would look. I think the wig is too much, y'all, but I'll show you guys just so you can see. So if I put the pink wig, this is how it's gonna look. I don't see how this all matches, so I probably won't do the pink wig. The pink wig is giving me Hannah Montana vibes, so I'll probably leave this pink wig out of the picture and use it for maybe like another video. I'm gonna stick to my blonde hair, but the pink wig is really, really cute, okay? But it's just not for the trick-or-treat. So sorry, wig. It just doesn't, maybe if it was red or white or something, but it's not given. It's not given. So that's how it's looking right now. And then maybe I'll just leave the ears. I don't know. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit right now. It's not completely done, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have. So obviously it couldn't be super revealing because I'm going with kids. So this was not the shirt that this obviously came with. It was like a whole like strapless corset, but I thought it was like too revealing for all the kids I'm going to be around. So I switched it up with this shirt and I put leggings under the tutu to make it look a little bit more PG-13. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget we're on a road to 5K, so let's get it. I'll try to insert some clips of the kids trick-or-treating and stuff. I'm so excited, but other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I actually decided to show you guys getting my niece ready. So she's gonna be a dog for Halloween, and that's why she kind of wanted me to be a cat, and then I went with Batwoman, and I didn't really know. I know this isn't giving what I said it was gonna give. You know, it's given all over the place, but it's cute. I think it's cute. So I'm about to go to my niece's house. I'm gonna show y'all her reaction to my makeup and everything, and then she's actually gonna be a dog for Halloween. So I'm gonna show y'all getting her ready as part of this, I guess, get ready with us for Halloween. I just thought it would be more exciting. So this is how it's looking, and I did take off the ears because, like I said, it just, I don't know, it wasn't given. Going to my niece's house, and I didn't really get to do my nails either, but whatever, because I tried my best, y'all, okay? And some of these gems are falling off, but I tried my best. So that's all we can ask for. Let me put some perfume before we go because I don't want to be stank trick-or-treating, you know what I'm saying? So let me see. I love this perfume right here. And all right, we're ready to go. So let me just go ahead and take y'all with me. Let's get it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's given. It's given. What you say? No. Oh, I think in the other bathroom. Yeah. It's given, y'all. It's given. Guys, so we're at Walmart right now. I'm dressed up like a... Hilda, what am I? What am I?
Patricia dice glam payasita. Pues she's a glam
Clown.
clown.
Clown, guys. She doesn't get it, huh? Her English is a little... So I feel like I was gonna be the only one dressed up, but I'm not. There's no candy here, guys. No candy. No. So we're leaving Walmart, guys. Look, I blend in with the Walmart thing. Look how pretty she is,
Happy
y'all.
Halloween.
So we park candies. We got candies, y'all, but it was sold out. Like a lot of it was sold out, right?
Yeah.
A lot of it was sold out, but we still made it work, guys. So yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going home now to go trick-or-treating. So, oh, and we did lots of TikToks at Walmart, so I'm trying to get into the TikTok stuff, so make sure y'all stay in tune. Here I am.
Patricia Isabelle YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and subscribe.
And that's on period, guys. You see that? Sure, I'm ready to die. Happy Halloween, guys. Ooh. Happy Halloween, guys. I hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'll show you guys Scarlett's little outfit, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys for tuning in, showing love and support, and we're on a road to 5K, so let's get it. So Scarlett is a doggy. Ooh, look at her paws, guys. Show them your paws.
These are
Yeah.
my real dog ears. The clips on my backpack.
So we're gonna do her makeup.
And my mom has the ears in her office, so I can't get it. That's your new phone, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love your new phone.
Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna dip the white. I know it's kind of blurry, guys. I'm gonna dip the white. Let me just do it. Where's Jimmy?
I don't know.
Okay, so let's do the white. Oh, you're gonna be the cutest dog ever.
Gonna be the cutest clown ever.
What are you happy I'm here?
What?
Are you happy I'm here?
Yeah.
I was so excited to see you today. All right, so I just finished doing Scarlett's makeup.
I need to see
Look
it.
how cute. Okay, come to the mirror. Come to the mirror.
I need to see it.